Realupperpikin matter magwa yeto home mumi bolo bere no we saga. Yo na saga o. Ido tama wewe enuta ni mata iseje. O wa with so go ya atete wa we here. When the general be Bible mo bona do de bai. Have ya wo here. Madam, ene sogo unu we madota ma me madam. Devne sogo unu ma man we takiana do time ma meje. We no uni mama. Madam, let me tell you. I'm a musician. In I send the 1.5 against Sogo, honor the musician. Immediately, I send the receipt again. In the tomatoes, and I tears also in your key, in the tomatoes in the Mirenigo, and I send the again. I am to 7 million normal. You go near your send this Sogo from January to okay, the way marriage in December now. I calculate on according to the mobile 27,500. So now where? You go near the near 27,000, but even if Sogo spends, why I calculate is 28 million plus. Or what 31 million, 32 million. Or what my balance no do pay. Madam, a marriage even Obama say it always me. Oh, when they go to one idea, they Sogo low now be walking here by. Sogo is not owing them dying, they are owing Sogo. If everybody is afraid of telling you the truth, I will tell you guys the truth. The truth shall set you free. And let me tell you, oh man, come on, also will die with a karma. Who are also give away. Wait till the where move or who does say well no or here well no, madam. Well, a video no so ya na ya ta deni anyway. I have all the record, but I'm not getting to play any record. Now let the caterer I won't play. The caterer I they come. I forget to bring the one with all the video I tell explain. All of them explain to me. Both caterer, both people will go market. I get all the records they explain to me, but I don't get to that time. I don't want to put on me say I dey fear anybody. I only stop because I am too big. There are some things you are too big to do. But when I watch this EM video, I say in the so wa uni ma there is also no mama madam. Oh no me planning no. That this man by said the same people go market. Now this man the by said same people go market go send also money. Immediately, so go to send that money to them, go send the receipts. Why not go? You guys talk with sincerity. This 2026, if many of them go see suffer because you guys they because of say you love this person, you go see truth, fear not let you talk. Oh, no me matter no matter. I don't know so before. I know so true lady of song. He just to go join her daughter. He just to go join her daughter. He go throw away your Bible. Go and throw off your Bible. If I open up, I don't want to open no. I be tell so say all the things that they tell me, I'll forward and give me, go forward and go give. The presenter you want forward and go give. But my spirit don't allow me. Because it go affect my own person. What is that man? That man will do marriage. If you know you better, man. A video come away, you got post a while, what you know, then you have to me, ni police so ni drag, then so go je. That the plans so they cook them up. But let me tell you, 200 days is not forever. The true God that judge the right and the wrong will judge you all. Will judge you all. The true God that judge both the right and the wrong. Let me just upload ladies 14 and go rest.
Hello, first lady. So happy New Year.
No, me I leave the mama on first. What did they say first lady? So go be first lady. When so don't they use money? I don't just say many of us don't come up for self poverty. Because the Pekin are hard working Pekin right from small Pekin. No more bay here. Mona listening.
Hello, you laveze. Ije we ma pay well na ta be Realupperpikin we ma pay well ye na when wear your book and lama maka wakala ma wana ya gbe la merudi la mani avio.
My darling, I don't want to send that out. Send that out to go affect my own person. Because the man use the but the man use the matter talk. If I send that out, it no go too good.
You know, you na be trade for women ma sa no je 200,000 said the go na we.
All this is I get all the receipts A to Z. I get all the receipts. Madam, all call you phone ringy, but my hair phone ringy. Then we give away gua. Oba no call ma oka agua. Then I give away gua ketra. Oba no call ma on you no call ma ba. So we can't go na there again we. Why what there against sogo.
Ore platform of Realupperpikin. We ma pay. We ma dey 1 naira no wa. What you want to say?
You hear her? I can the marriage. They hear her. I not be like una many of them say now Facebook. I'm not owning Facebook 1 cent. I don't need it. I need genuine money, not be cost money. Una hear her? You go need more, you might pay for. Now there this one for carry problem come. Make the don't fit pay money where they also go so. Madam, 500,000 day inside. I'm gonna say so why you go me get in there. For person to just call you, mommy, now we need the 500,000 a man. I never know say this kind of thing they happen. I never ask capital she want money to you, just give her. You might know. Now let her go that why you go Yahoo because you can't have voice on my money. My only interrupt. I've got to me saying the marriage you want to do tomorrow. The things they buy money not complete. The person never pay finish. They want to do next tomorrow and me. 2 days for the marriage. Now I give her 500,000. At least as this everything has reached so. Or man never know 1,500,000 at a time. I made it no instantly. Or money be here. Or game be here. You dey hear am? They never do marriage finish that time. Or my pay, you never pay. You never do marriage finish. You don't bring complaint so that you no go pay. And you know I no go rush this one. I will just and after some hours I go delete the video because I know they put person editing for my platform. Maybe at least I find money for inside. Whether than 1 billion view, I go come out. I will delete them after 24. It's not going to 24 hours. Once Mama or Papa don't see this video, you go don't see. I will delete them. I don't need anybody view. But the truth will speak. We're not so give away. You are a murderer in the Bible. Any lying tongue is a murderer. I may be Anita chamber of truth. Hate me, but the truth is the best. I don't know so before. I don't feel say because I don't know her before. Make I go meet her, go the support evil, they beat her. I find out the truth. The truth is, these people, the voice of this matter beg. Say so why helping man? I when we I don't pay where go here. When the man won't go where they find motor. When the man they find what's in again motor and drinks. He begs so say I better make it help and tell the woman where they give my drink. So go get customer. As soon as I say that's that one they call ugly to so go get in get people with love her. She have been doing business for long. According to the mother of plans, so go get certificate of this work. She learn her for Lagos. She not be just cut her nail this thing. The truth is abon. Waiting. No, my brother, because they were for no say, oh man, not matter. Good morning, sir. How is the family, sir? Oh man, no gwale matter. Man, no de matter. Gwale hebo. Maybe now you have view with Facebook and you view today view too. Me ima like And on our first and last video, the here concerning this matter. On our first and last video, the here concerning on my baby, this 2026. I not get that time. To start it, all of them not say my man not even like me to do all these things. Even when he go see all these things, he go verse. I'm not coming. But let me as the thing they pepper me for men, make I make me tell her thing. Or ballo me, they treat so. If they pay me for minds. This evil man want to he put all the blame for so get godmother head for the call with me and I make. When the wife called me 2 days ago, I blocked them. I don't want to talk to them again. Idiot people.
So a woman now I'm with camera that wa betray the one again
Listen, The man carry camera because they talk. Now make them for go poster for public. Realupperpikin. You are a poor girl. I can see the poverty all over you. Realupperpikin, I suffer for my life. When you stand for truth, God will bless you beyond human imagination and understanding. It's only the truth that will make you become great in life. It's only when you stand right, God will bless you. It doesn't matter the years when you take do evil, you go reap palm. You go reap palm. You go reap palm. Realupperpikin, you are a poor social media person. Your poverty does not even select. Your poverty does not even select. Commission, I'm a Bible for. I was a preacher on social media, not a preacher. I cannot go to church again because of all this kind of fake pastor, a shower and liars as of a pastor. If I go to Nigeria and I let my pastor church, my pastor in Nigeria, I let church I believe for this earth. If I go to Nigeria, I'll go church. Or if I see get chance, I go my church here. If I not go my church, go my church for Nigeria. I know they go church. I be pastor picking, yes. All your brothers are pastors, yes. We have used Christianity to deceive the whole world. We are using Christianity to turn people's life upside down. Did you hear this woman? He said, in your camera there, when I see my name, I go on. When I get there, I go on. When I'm also go now, all come and where there. You can say, so my munuwa, or say no munuwa now. So they share work, give different people. So they help people bring work. Everybody, you be musician or you be singer or you be this girl. This girl is blessed and talented, but you guys want to kill her career. Let the God she serve speak and stand for her. Let me tell you, no matter who you are, I know they fear you. No matter who you are, I will tell you what you do wrong and what you be. It's only the truth. Let me tell you, Obama, also man, God will stand for me. Then I matter, God will not stand for me. Trinity Zion, good morning. No, I know they fear, but I just want to ignore because my man don't like me on social media. Social media don't almost ruin my relationship. So you don't like him. He say, he understands I be truthful person, but you know when you just want me to talk, oh man, not matter, oh man, no. Now make me the do it again. But on me, all this matter with the grand so now my table that day. And my table is there from day one. My table, but I don't think they say I beg. I see the video when I said so I want her not to go any platform. Let's talk this in this house. If the man don't want to pay, may we leave her. So call rest. But if I no more so do I drag and the lie, but they make people allow so come out. The lie when they go the lie for so where my people, but the money when they get so use that, use our own joiner, use my own joiner. Me not go boldly use 3 million to do marriage. Not laugh. I not go boldly use 3 million to do marriage. Me, last me. I go that if I to spend 3 million spend for marriage, I go here to do business, invest. I believe in investments. I'm who I want to impress. Who me want to impress? When I can go they use I going to wait this woman talking to you. I get audio, not be audio, video, never for talk. I get many things. The man wanted the marriage, the wife wanted the marriage to be the talk of the time in Germany. I don't think I say, so don't beg me I release, I not release them. They not get need, I not give them. I me start this matter. The lies is too much, my darling sister. I know everything I forwarded to Esther. I love it, Kelly. Yes. All the things will happen. I forward and go give Esther. Esther for know the truth. The truth is, when we leave that side. What they are so doing. I'm woman. I really calm down. But the reason why I forward and go give, I mean, all that's all the way Monica play. I mean, forward and go give lady or something. See everything will happen. See the list. See how they say right. I forward everything go give my sister. Say, see, I bet calm down. Never vessel your daughter. See what will happen. I forward them. Go give her everything. When I say they pay, they not pay so 27 million. If they want budget, they will send the money. If they want that, don't send her. She go pay immediately. She go send receipt immediately. They go do a lot. Make una tell the woman make it bring all her receipts. Well, I'm not tell the woman make it bring all her receipts. All the receipts there with me. He did with Sogo. He did with Lady Osoga. I pack and go give her. The real one, not be fake. Come and fall upon the man. The man say want make it be talk of the town. The man is so jealous. The woman is so jealous. My people, when they buy all these things, the woman not they talk, and the man they talk. The man talk past woman. The man make book. Baby don't need there. You can really the man too talk. The woman not they talk. The man not let the woman talk. The man be a bamezo. You go just come out, go just talk. You go tire. Not going to let you talk. And the man at 419. Make una go Realupperpikin. You don't delete them because I respond to that comment yesterday. When somebody say, you know these people. If they follow you buy something online, you send and go give them. They don't keep on for sale, so don't tell you say they don't see me, you return their money. They have been doing this. They have been doing this. So Osogo did that marriage perfectly well. Okay. After that day when this marriage Wahala starts, so they break. So Osogo had another marriage. I have all the video with me. After this man marriage, they break. They do another video, another marriage. Another marriage. We not the social media. I'm not a lawyer in here. The same person will not there, so they UK do another marriage. After this 419 marriage, the next day of it, they do marriage for her. So also do another marriage. That one day, I feel pause that one later. I'm a metal anymore. What 419 years old now? I want you all to use more picking career. What guy me go solo bono bohie ebueku. Oh, ni mama dege, ni mama dege, ni so my time because of she's been oppressed. Solo boy tiny. If na like me, I talk say I carry so matter. I cannot they carry anybody matter. I know they carry person matter because if they pay me, I be person. If I look my page, look at the voice of the voiceless, the voice of the poor. I hate oppression. I hate injustice because I love the poor more than the rich. Sorry to say, because I know where I'm coming from. I don't to cry ass. I do not want to talk for this thing. Make I release myself. For mother and daughter to they fight this girl. I won't talk. Now this year push me come out. The video when I play, I go continue to play. But make we play some video. We know they rush. When they tell this so go say, in your video in my agua. And near me post. Near me post. If I do anything, nobody they tell me what to do. When you live video and people will near me go surprise say, we made that time imatamu. When you watch a video upper mama na a video me. I not the way for anybody. I won't air my mind, make I rest. Now they thought should not be bad person. Exactly. But what my darling sister, whether you good or you bad, who are they to your life? Just sit down and think about your life. All these people that you want to be good to, which they don't contribute to you. Check their life. Are they on the right side? What they don't contribute? If you say you not get it, if I also you contribute something to my life and you are not on the right side, I can't support you because I don't want to be destroyed. Any lying tongue will be destroyed, whether you like it or not. Man not see you, but God see you. Now let God know the true person for among all of them. But I believe anything so tell them I couldn't believe her. The girl is confused. You think I know what to shock the girl. Now what to do the girl. The woman promised her heaven and earth after marriage. If you want now they pay consultation fees, everything. The woman gives so go use my daughter take buy so get many mommy so na mumu. Amumu many mommy. I tell the husband your wife mommy is too much. You should reduce it. Her mommy is too much. This woman promise if so bon, you go can't do this, you go can't do that. So can your day free. Anything that you're saying now. No can marriage. I thought we go normal by go and do all these things. Okay, una don't calculate 4 meetings, which now I get from it. I ask the man, me and the man talk. Epa, what thing make una not can do according as una talk. To start with, this man not get anybody for like no some people were there, but they want to get people for us now. This man use money to buy all meetings, 17 meetings. At the same time, one meeting they go kitchen, go carry a gay, 4 a gay. I get all the audio. Where who cook or OG they talk to me. Not be audio, not video. Audio is another statement, a video. When they look their match, everybody they talk to me. If they say best catcher, now catcher, when you catcher say for me, now they play soon. Not be all the catcher, no say catcher plenty. I don't feel cover sin. I don't feel support evil. Because Yahweh beg ya boy do. The same judgment you judge for your neighbor, the same shall be judged for you one day. No worry, Mona, relax.
Wana betrayed me, wana condition me, wana eti that beer. Iya, I want to ya way na. Imu wina no why, ma wana betrayed me. Iya, wana get that beer. Una get that beer. Ona mo camera that wa. Ona wana wa agwa, wana gele agwa. We ni mana ever.
Una where they wait, make me and Lady Osun quarrel. I don't know what I want cause. What is supposed to cause quarrel for me on Island? Lady Osun so get now they get matter. If I thought say she come and say, make her not give my work with my name again, you know me say that they could not be so good. Not be Lady Osun do marriage. You guys should remove Lady Osun out of this matter. I won't kill you. You guys should remove Lady Osun out of this matter. That's why I get wisdom of God to talk, not a wisdom of man. Despite say she carry mic talk say wagagi mumuna ni ata man or yeah very on, which I know say supposed to call Pikin before you talk, you not do well fine. But no, this matter not concern Lady Osun. So why you can't feel say I not fit up with? I be not they play again. If I ball with bear, I tell you say I get for the bear, I get enemy. I don't see her as my friend. I see her as my sister. If I want to separate me and her, I'm gonna separate me and her because I don't feel talk. Me actually not get quarrel. Now her matter be this. Why the boy I a matter na my Lady Osun. That's my way or who you make it go. You're not going to say not go. You pressurize on not go. I'm not tell in your tower. You wouldn't manage my Lady Osun go ya baby and you not been to marriage. So when I come to talk say, hey, I think this woman, now Lady Osun friend, I bet they're not the be friends again. How this matter take concern Lady Osun now? We are talking about so we are talking about Lady Osun. How this matter take concern Lady Osun now? This matter we do now we know the reason where and I don't know what they happen. The matter now you can they not get Lady Osun we matter now. I may no problem. I have said. If you see that calculator where you know cause this matter not concern Lady Osun. Now people just they miss all they all say because I say the woman talk say I get win and she feel the verse that for me I'm not a fair human being. She was wrong. She will fair call her Pikin first. But anybody can make mistake as the body they prepare her. I'm not just saying person they tolerate you know get patient to tolerate nonsense. That moment they don't come to trouble and say what your Pikin do. Now she take carry me for me why we for me matter so or what the reason no one in my way say why we for me my way say you more and get a matter but only the issue no dey ground the issue no dey ground the way by mark say if I mark say musician not the stage ya this trouble here what can Lady Osun go you mungu na so wala why we say e matter na mark Lady Osun they want make you the beat make I the beat her. But they won't be the girl for if someone do bad, I'm going to come and spin it over the time. You are gwegui. You are for me, my way rock ba. Ozuwa keka. They catch me so come and buy. I go do this for you, I go do that for you. I dare brother, I get money where way. Over there, only you may a moment on that way, a moment on that way, no being. Maybe all your body in 1 or 2 ways. Let me tell you, there is no true friend on earth apart from God. Nobody can help you. It's only God that will say helper to you. A God make a wheelbarrow pusher to become a hotel owner. Now God. But let your heart clean. Let your heart pure. When you see people that are progressing, celebrate with them. But the world has bitter so that they can never celebrate with you when you are celebrating. When you are genuine, they don't like you. If they do come up with the people, don't go watch me like this. They look for saga. I don't know what is going on in the world. The world is full of trouble. People are looking for where you can be quarreling with people that they can watch. It's not good. You guys should repent. Repent. Let's make a just quiet. Maybe play this with me. I talk with it in my mind. Realupperpikin. You are about to lie with me. You are an evil friends. You know what matter? No, what so go about tete. If you know where ma. If you know where ma. If you know where ma. If you know no mama never about lie with me. If go to donate na what to wear. We donate the 20 na what to ugele rio. Okay, well, they are already saying you have issue with Lady Osun. No, me I should not get issue. I mean, me forward everything, go give my waiting to go forward, give me before this matter leak. Choice choice Ogadima. No. Me although I don't know, me I should not get issue. She's not a friend, she's a sister. I take her to be a sister, not a friend. What do you want? How this one will come to cause issue for me and Lady of Song if they get sense. What you concern so matter concern so who do marriage they not concern so not concern Lady of Song. In two of them would open up their differences, which I don't talk to this one, I don't talk to this one. I know the two. Who they coming for video? I'm not getting network, they coming for video. When I'm not getting network and they coming for video, why? Oh, see my beautiful children, how are you? God bless you. Daddy wants you guys to greet me. Where's your mommy? Oh, Petra is sleeping. She's not awake yet. Petra never awake. If she wake, I'll call her. Good morning, sir. God bless you, sir. All right, sir. No, she's sleeping. She's not awake. All right, we'll talk later, please. I don't know as this matter can't take concern. I'm not fine because if you guys are not happy that we are together, it's okay, please. I am not that type that cannot say anything public or any sorry, public, whatever I cannot say in your secret and in your presence, I can't say it in your back because nobody is God. Nobody is God. Whatever I cannot say in your front, darling, I can't say it in your back. Nobody is God. You are not bigger than me, I'm not bigger than you. We all are equal. Whether those way they crawl or they will never reach there, they go reach them that time. Everybody on earth now, time are different. All of us don't suffer before. Lady of Song have been in tough time. I have been in terrible tough time. Today God is elevating us gradually. God will elevate so as well. If I don't say she with her mama get quarrel, so also go with her mother, Lady of Song get quarrel. You know me say, yes, the girl might offend the mother. The mother might be angry, but that will not concern any of us. Only made that camera up. Only made that camera up. That will not be our business. Realupperpikin we hungry they beat. Can escalate this issue.
He must said you were 200,000 naira.
What you say? I not give the insult Lady of Song. I not watch her, my darling. Frank. What you now today begin insult Lady of Song. Now today I not begin. I be not watching the insult her since then. Since when the insult you see Lady of Song reduce. You see anything will come up for Lady of Song body. I bet was so done here. Yeah, make nothing. I'm munera. They don't sing munera from there. Use the insult person. Or can't tell me so go. Tell me so go. Hey, I'm having your Lady of Song. My kind. Don't use that avenue to insult them. Wakaro we before Waro we. Maybe not here. Be me why I say bo.
Imatama get 300,000 naira already budget here. I must say do away the other teacher 200,000.
Mona list you. Realupperpikin say this man they for video they go to for video they say she don't pay caterers, which I get the receipt where they pay them. Mona list you know.
He must say they were 200,000. Uma me 200,000 is the okay.
But they hear a macaroma send when I attire madam a camera guy or marigo nuwa. What's here? I'm so done here. So make una listen to Mama Sogo.
Koyo. Hello, First Lady. So happy New Year, Koyo. La the guiri man no tai carrier a kinina milkoni. Actually, caught here where mommy lare minus sunu. In a way, was sunu.
Atoloko, where's you? Or say why yakin?
What's on social media?
Why I was a bit so go. I was a damn.
Realupperpikin. Well, Paro, no hamwe bogbo yawe. Ni Larry.
Madam, yes, I was so call she. I am a bob, my phone one and I am a bob best. So, the matter I am a bob bear. If no Danny Tavano Yadi Bebo, the doctor, Eminata way, or anybody, if your person get quarter, none I don't tell you go bring juju, you run for that person. You know, so that person get with it to the bath juju. If now watch all the platform where this man don't go, Yadi Bebo, they took it. Nothing you won't go bring go. When I talk, and I told Realupperpikin, oh, when I'm going to have Bob so or when it's so go ya Bob, they told you no. So they don't want my buy a video my way I go. And I will pa a bebo go. Because so my in a boy area, one in a boy area. That was my statement when the man said that. When I had this over here.
My I don't know who. Negative ball. The marriage you know. I'm cameraman.
Listen, no. I'm a cameraman, but a video of surface. The listen, no. A video, a marriage, no. According to what is it? Atu loco. Whatsoever we sow on earth, we will reap. Many of us will reap poverty till they die. Many of us will reap greatness because of their good deeds till they die.
Keki, amami kochora, amami ashwebi, nothing, only waiting to amami ponokoni hajo.
You might change several times. Amami ponokoni hajo. Make una know say they just won't finish this small girl. Right now, the man they talk now say, hey, you're a godmother got I'm a godmother. This man with the lie. This man even tell me, oh God, I'll post with me and you talk. Wait till you talk, say, let your song say you may you do, I will post them.
Traditional marriage,
can you imagine all this talk where they talk so? You never should not say now lie they talk make rest for this matter. I think with all these things, I'm not saying everything, the marriage was successful. What did the man tell me? Because I asked her, what is the main issue in this matter? Or where a cameraman married already around 11. Already a kinsman married. I challenged her immediately. The kinsman was not on that list that I read. Umama kinsman. Waka cannot take off a kinsman. Wama kind so go. And I know your view. You pleaded with her. Ever can have a una liye ko kana bo okoni yata ma ewe so walk you what do value of which so go makwe. But yes, when nothing where they there. So is this word not enough for you guys to know that this person is lying? That this 419 marriage people, they are lying just to kill the career of this girl. Because one person don't go tell them, say, so okay, you know, January, Emma, oh no. The man tell me everything. You tell him, say, make him go arrest, so go, make him drag, and the man tell me, David, no, I can't provoke, now cut for the man here. Now the man call me back. Now say, hey, now no be matter for the Konya so go no there. I even see the report of Lady of Song. Say, see what the person tell me, oh. Now I tell and say, okay, then say so go for you. Erika, I tell Lady of Song this word. It's also the Lady of Song, they watch me with another account. Ask her, forward everything, go. I still drop the voice when I talk to Lady of Song. Say, see what I hear. So this my talk, oh, I get the video. Because now you tell me, say, they talk to you, no say you know they talk like. Record them and go change your matter. Now say I hear. If me Lady of Song, the song, she go tell me, she go advise me like that. They're not sure say they contact no game. You know saying for Facebook. I'm not sure. Now let Esther I know say they never contact Esther. Now pay me the contact for this issue. Pay me. And you not concern any other person. Now I make me verse when I call the hearer for when I not verse when I hear when I hear so they talk for Esther platform. Now I provoke. Send her that voice message when I share. Now I make me verse send her that voice message say who disappointing me. Even where any platform, anything called presenter, so she later apologized. Say, see the reason why she doing. She won't debunk all what they talk. See, me not let her talk for premium platform. As maybe just the end video, but I mean the end down. If not they watch and I see and I will hear my voice. When pay me they challenge me. Now they say end the video. Immediately pay me the end. Let's start talk to your carry. Nobody send a message. It's the thing last year immediately pay me the end video. Now so Esther touch your taste start. From there here now just I'm not sure saying a person send you know because I'm any social media came. Yeah, I'm any to bring a time. Why I not why call the insult her now? They not get lady or something. All go everywhere. All take at you any ya insult. You see her. If una watch my video, that when I take encourage to go, I say platform in that here go azaza we or go and one anybody like go and watch it. It's on my platform. I was mad. I said okay, the platform because they say they swear good, they swear everything for person. You can't like now. I was angry because I don't want me to insult anybody. So Frank, I don't know who you be with that your fake account. So I think I don't even think. Lady of song need to man no get na kero over here. You see what he do say na small pikin. You no get do saga sote na small. Name is small pikin because they do saga. Eri o ma give you say beg you. Because they no see money when they expect. Thank you. You know the Nigeria they expect big money. Even test also go make help and contact the Kabaka. You want make big people there make their marriage be talk of the town in Germany. How you want impress now? If I get that kind of money, I go to prepare for another hotel. Man, big name for now. Yeah, you can daughter me foundation with the best we above it. Yeah, you got your impression for what now? What the impression won't give me? I don't know the other people there before one. You gonna suffer. Yeah, I feel like what? Marriage 30 million. Like Esther not spend that kind of money. Now gift Esther man. Now people support her. Esther don't go move. I know Esther don't go move. Go carry that kind of money over there with marriage. Who she want impress? If you see look at Esther, don't be the type of impress person. You know, boy say oh, I mean lady of song. You know, boy say oh. And let me say make Esther and Enogi carry the matter. I was there. Really? No. She said no. She not talking. She said if we not take time, many presenters go carry him. I comment put. He said this man not take time. No say the man can't enter the live video. Why feel my man will hear success? The man can't enter the video. You can't send permit request. Permit no say na the man. Now the man can say na you know the man. Now me test so say tell permit to end that man call. I'm moving. End that man video. Remove the man fast. If the man won't talk, the man for can't talk. Now permit to call the man call. Now if you say go can I go give Esther or can I go give anybody? You not concern let's do your song inside. You got a lady or song. You where maybe a mistake in up or we are over who you are because only man may not tie you. Yesterday, Christmas Day, and New Year Day. You not do life yesterday now. Maybe day before yesterday. A day before yesterday, not be yesterday. You not do life yesterday. I'm not sure they do that. I not see them. A day before yesterday. Yes, now, because the matter don't go there. If so also go a no get platform, I make it go anywhere she want go right now. Because now she with person will do marriage get problem. Not be she with lady or song. Make una remove lady or song out of this thing, please. Yes, you cannot watch them. I not see her. If she even go there, my sister, Frank, let me talk to you straight right now. If so go anywhere. Now lady or song matter she go talk. I don't think so. Yes, I don't think so. If you see me, ask people who know me, ask lady or song. When lady or song dey Canada, she know they sleep, wake up, meet me, ask her. For lady or song wake up, even 3 o'clock, I don't come out. When I ask her, I they do different job. Not be one job I they do, not be 2 job I they do. So I know they get. If you see me say I they do today, so now I not go work because they give us holiday. We will start work on the 4th. Even one of my job, I get work today. For one of my work, I get work today. I go to rewatch the Permi video. Maybe in time we talk because I was going up and down. Go call this one. Stop. I'll go do that. I was not there. But if I thought say Permi, according to you now, Permi say make it kind of go media. Permi not say make it go insult. Make it carry a lady or some matter go. If not, so get every right to carry the matter go and even let tell the man make the man pay him money now. I don't understand the part. Yes, now lady of song issue. She can't talk. I beg if you cut the video for me. I beg. Frank, if you cut the video for me. I give you number where you take cut and put me and watch them. I'm not sure. Not be lady of song. Lady of song matter. On a man carry lady of song. Now the person where they own money, what they make me they talk? Now the money where this man, this 419 I don't want to pay. Now make me stand here they talk. Now yes, this ESA my way say. Now that money matter home, me they give that guy money. Okay, no, let your song get. Me I don't let your song get. I get one more. Make one even they comment a name for this issue. I beg. Me I let your song talk for his ass now. I still let her know say, oh we here give presenter. Now let your song give her go ahead. Say she be adult. No you say no. Why are they do like this now? If I thought say she with godmother get misunderstanding, it means you know they not physically talk to each other again. Now lady also give go ahead. I pay me call. Let me say pay me call lady also say I dey call her she not pick that time before she call later pick my call. Because mama gave no sunu. She says she's an adult. If she cannot go speak, I don't know ya say no. When ya wear, now come make me forward. When ya wear to lady or something say. Lady or something na tell you matter. Man like it. I'm not pleased with it. I'm not pleased with it. Honestly, I'm not pleased with it because I'm not kind. I'm not pleased with it. I don't say no give with just know they play before. Because I will tell you so when I say go make time no give when you no allow when you need just so that one no agree take because we ene o wa ma as I do agwale mi mo be. They're going to return the money, oh. That man going to return the money. I don't know the reason why the man don't want to pay the money. The man, what the man they wait, you know, expectation not reach. Make una, I go after I don't do this, I go post the plan. Una believe or not believe, because I'm not telling you so now. I'm not telling you so the plan the rotor. The plan where they get. How 4 meaty will come become 17 meaty. When me a classic OG cat. Classic OG say no, mommy not reach 17 or 13. Osaro count for me. They send me the name right now. Now 17 meaty. What is it mean you take for feed them? What when on amigo ya feed in here? And visual with marriage here. And visual with marriage here with the boy say above for higher. You will plan meeting for 4 people. At the end meeting come be 17. Now that meeting problem they cause this while away with this so. Me to not let other people see food chop. What did really happen? What did I go tell lady or something for say if I air to? Yes, auntie. Yes, Anita. Word finish for her math. I don't understand the side where they tell me for inside also. Word finish for her math. Which side for inside? For the people matter before so go math. Please let the writer be long. I'll know which they talk. So that is it. I don't get their number for this phone. I for call them now. I saw her. Now they cause confusion. So how did you know that she was so bitter? Lady, she have every right to say to her own man. She say, "I'm mama for calling for inside us only in Guji." But that one not missing a bitterness. Pemi stood by Esther. Where everybody saga Esther. She was there. Pemi love Esther so dearly. And not to say she get bitterness against her. Never. And my wife they talk. No, Pemi not be person they hide something. No, Pemi. No, sorry to say. Pemi na very now first people did the pepper, but she loves the lady of song. Make una come on lady of song go for this matter. I'm not there to talk about those things. I'm here to talk about us. So to see her. Wait till me calculate 6 million first. 6 million. Not be 5 million because the man. Okay. If you look the list now, the clothes with the one way and 1 million. 1 million that be the budget. The woman go carry 2.7 million. Who has to make it pay that one? I saw her reply me. Because not be lady or song matter not join this one. I'm not lady or song. Even when I claim so I love lady or song. Now they put her name for this system because I'm not kind. I'm not kind really. When I remove her name, I didn't hear him. Because when I have my can only be what was now. How? She just the play pity card. Make una rest for all those kind of issues. Let's say the truth. who bring the matter come as media. Now quarrel put say, Esther, I hear what you talk. Esther, Berusi, yes. The mother talk say, now vet, because how person go this stage, you go to disturb. I'm not me one. I had disturb, baby. I'm here, hey. They don't count up me one, boy. All right, you don't know 17 material. Yes, you ask me because and she carry her come this thing because she was hot. That's the stage they play, but do I call her when not do if Emma say when the man know what thing you do. We am when I'm with it miti. Emma not very mammy be miti no kun. I to balege miti. You would have had more money. If you use 1 million, 100 million to do the marriage, you go get satisfied. How you go use that 27 million want to do marriage of 100 million? Yeah, all sisters, we should learn to respect and love one another. That is what you are supposed to be saying. Maybe not they mention lady or something for this matter again. Wait till carry me talk of this matter so. Now me they tell you now so. I know the fear person. Now abudu na for bomb. Abudu na ngwa. Eka abudu ya huo me. Abudu na bira me bije me. Ana bio me. Why I know my name na omoku. I'm very rugged when it comes to trouble. And I'm very sincere, very rugged when it comes to truth. I know the fear person bear my mats. This matter not concern the song. Yes, that she can come media according to Una. Yes, she's sorry for me. She might not be sorry for me. I'm sorry for me because I don't like what she for come. She will call her daughter saying, "Yeah, my get better. Why you sunu? What's sunu? Though daybreak, let her explain to her mother. Lady or something say, Mommy, you know ya sunu. You know, mommy, you know ya sunu. She explained to her mother. She forward everything to her mother. I called her and say, me already forward and go give your mother already. Maybe forward there here. So I still know the messages, melody or song. Advice we see give me, make I give so. How not day here? No, it's here, but lady or song give you matter now. Apart from say, or they make it on it, or made that up. When knocking to your bona. Anybody they find lady or song go. Apart from say she call, or she do right up, or she talk. Apart from that one I just say maybe with anger. Me can do the same thing. At the moment I'm angry, I feel just talk. We often made mistake. Now I pay me see quarrel put for my present. Only pay me meet my pay me I wish I take a tea and wo phone on the guji or my guji me away or my can lady or songi. A matter now lady or songi. Or my can body or just about you what the lady or songi matter now. What he misunderstanding me. Okay, I'm misunderstanding you. Okay. So the judge different platform they lie up. So not lie. Ghost. That your name so not really ghost. Ghost. So not lie. Everything so they talk now truth. I'm repeating it to you now. So not lie in everything will concern marriage. Everything will concern as a take plan marriage. So not lie. He not lie. Now be the confusionist. We won't because of the hate, now they hate on the gay. So not lie, my darling sister. Say lady of song use her to swear. Now when I go watch that video, now they for cause wahala. Yes, she talk am. Now something push and read there, and which now make me tell say, I Tony wo what my kind. Only my kind na jena. Emi wa jena. It should talk upon me and the video for end. When I call the right, when I say, I just see your message. I will not tell me here, yes, I will not tell me here. And lady of some girl marriage in Adota. Or 30 something million year war here. Now she can say, okay. And they can say, end no, I can't cut, I can't cut the call. Me can use cut the stop, me can enter the call. Now because they explain what happened. In Winigo, Emma Dota. When they say, so I am here, Emma Doka. Ta, oh, that is 419, no. Okay, what will be your name? Where's so they lie? Make I tell you what is that man. Wait, that man, because this never opened that time. What did that man come tell me? If you hear him, you go there against my own person. Whether I lie, the man talk, whether I truth now, me not know. Though I tell lady or song, I tell her, make you forgo one the man. When you have me, even you matter or no, I matter ni ata, except when you tie. as him at tell me, I can't go meet Esther. I say, you know, be an after. That one, the same way, for me, yes, you are right, it's wrong. The same way Imama take wrong, take talk, quickly talk without contacting her daughter. The same way, so also take wrong for this one by bringing them. That one not concerned with the grand. So, okay, now I understand, Miss Pretty. Matter no, because they don't want to use them. They know you can't boy. They know you can't boy. What's the matter? Okay, or more busy. I have my vepo. What tell me no rain now. Or go for one night marriage. Go and return your money. Play that record. No, nah. I tell lady of song already. Now play her. If not happen, be go. I just swing akpole. Me akpole yan vac here. Ah. Now, Frank, you be confusionist. You are a confusionist. Let me tell you, this life where we did so, I be person where they make friends. I feel you play with you today, they make friends. And I believe in some lady of song CB. Now the phone una want associate to myself with. I know they attach myself to person you. Me or God. I know they attach myself to person you. Me just know little about me, ya know it. Now people they near me, I know they near person. But I they like everybody. I know they get chance. Can't take day with you and you I'm your bunny. And I'm your bunny. I don't have any do I call you a strong friendship. And I'm your bunny. People where they insult lady or song now, according to Una. No one be her friend before. Now because of payment they talk that one, I better go sleep. Now before of payment they talk that one, go sleep. Payment not get everything. You not get bad thing where she talk. She still versing mama for calling for his ass. Make she go they talking for back. Make you go they gossip lady or song for back. Oh man, not tell me what that woman, a public. Oh man, not tell matter. Oh man, no ya go me yeke. For your go by you when I'm at the way. Front, let your song, you know, call it with Tamu. Back, I didn't know you're doing where you can go you can't call it say where you now how much she talk all to be a yeke. That will not be bad word. When we say now she go know her friends. Friendship get what they do for person for life. I beg you was level done things. It's level I wanna see Coco, I wanna see Mama. I beg you, what's level done? Man, the friendship you know, I don't want friendship. Me understand the one now. I have friendship Yahoo. But my there is no true friend apart from Lord Jesus. Now the couple record, I dey tell you. When the couple record is not or concerning on my many katama when ya. Yeah, play you make it and not stop it. And I go concerning here have not 20 years you were when you deal with a so. My man be honey, but never Africa way. You man so gear. There's a matter the matter here, dog no magu me. Cause when me mago man not matter. Me I don't understand. It don't you know it am anyway. Iya na boni ya on aboni ya wona on ye ga wona. Me I don't understand. Them matter tana dog no ma in my e me do use on against any working na. E won me na no okay ya kan we there. Good afternoon my love. My superstar, Koji. Many man, I'm not going to change for friends, body. Where wrong with the boss? Where I said that more. Is there any true friend apart from Jesus? So a good mother, she is right. She is right to come. You know righty. I know I'm in a public with this, so all of everybody watch us, you know righty. Person tell you about your picking, you know you call your picking first. I better come up my front. If you don't go talk, go make una the verse for me. I bet I can't. Nika egene na ruwa we by the mami wa if it's all about the blessing the mami wa made by made e matter not happy making now this truth when they talk now they open door for me so I don't like my matter make una rest I want she talk with the now she talk with the verse now me see they talk so for me for call and first or take an alternate though took an alternate need a good job because who Yahweh she's not right but who Yahweh because she was pressurized. She was pushed. I'm up there, this stop here. no, bola a marriage all of one egg. A lot of marriage all men who ya the authority. She was pushed. When they measure me time home, she was not right. But at the moment, when you are right, you are going. Oh, who you are going? Well, I will because if I get back here, and your pastor no more. Something like that, like mother. Not tell me that she was right. She was not right. She did it out of emotion because they pressed her. Josephine, no, you are wrong. She was not right. Take this word anywhere. There is no mother that is not being pressed that will do that. She was not right at the same time. It's not her fault. She was pressed. She was pushed to do it. I go talk him the way it be. Don't like me. Also, like has nothing to do to my life. It's not going to add to my life, not to reduce. We all need to live a peaceful and a lovely life. A sincere life. They use because of saying you love person. Fear not let you talk truth. If you talk truth, you'll be a bad person. Ask Josephine. Go read Josephine message. Follow up with Josephine message. I'm not here to explain all those things. So, in your Realupperpikin, when sogo or mama, let me come to tell me any video now. When sogo or mama, madam, they will be honey no mama. They will know no mama, madam. Or more vision nowhere, no be an ego. They will sogo no mama. Oma leva here. Oma leva ne for meeting on here. Toma Oma decorate a hall. Let's analyze it this way right now. Now let me want ask question. Una way they talk. This also did rent her or not? This also bought all the things or not? This also saw clothes or not? All the things with their budgets. And then look at tell me what also not do inside. As they come, look at what I carry that my record come out. When wait. Walk cut. Me I see the final. Make I play something for now. Wait till the man tell me now one fight come out so. And I says, anyway, what is the problem that is on ground right now? The man say, pamino zero o mare abamale de miwe one. Owe cameraman mare le ore wa ran level ye ga tie 2. Owe kiss me mare ba and not challenge. If I play the video, you go here and challenge and say, pane kiss me, man, kiss me. Walker cannot take off a kiss me away. Okay, but the marriage was done successfully. Maybe you are not provide. My camera married but oyere yalehue. Not knowing that the man not get money when he won't pay again. It's a fine way go for so. Though the man beg before saying go pay. Oh, the man go let tell me say. They say me you not pay. So person say me you not pay. No push person talk I beg. The way they find me look at that be this one. When because the man waiting the man talk too plenty. No be everything I go play. Maybe then I be this one. Me I film you transfers.
The thing is,
you see this ungrateful human being. Don't they accuse lady of something now? And you're more like you.
Chat me, please. Stop chatting
Mommy, I know because who tell me about me and what you met you with. I'm not a camera.
The man not gonna let you see my talk. You not gonna let you see my talk.
What
dear me.
How dare you true?
Because when you matter is
first note of power, and forward what dear me. How dear me. That way, it's a bonnet.
Umatia bonedi gogene. Umatia bonedi gogene. Okay, listen. I challenge you to not talk again.
Who is not like you keep money you come on?
Out of my phone.
I got to get out of my phone since you don't want listening. Not be this one. Wait for talk with you talk. That I not see her. Make the video not cut. Anyway, make I let go. But one lady of in the post, she not measure any couple. Dear. I mean, what I look at, I'm not the fit challenge all those kind of talk. We don't talk different from what you call concern. Now, we be lady of stone and so. Now, they drag her for this matter. Let me tell you once again, lady of stone matter, not concern lady of stone for this matter. You guys are dragging her up and down. They carry her name up and down. Now, no. So, madam, taru waka kedu ene abe man wo web na ni yare agege no wa yare bai did so not ready ho she rented. Did she not decorate the hall, the boat hall? She decorated boat hall. Did she not send caterer to cook? She did cook. What happened? The caterer were coming to the kitchen by themselves to carry food. The plan was 4 meeting. The plans was 4 meeting. Mama Papikin, and you are the turtle. Madam, Mama wish your mother working na where no so on my way say. Oh, where you are when is your mother where do deba. Madam, a manager so what is your wabba. You gonna no low na be low by Tamia, a gang one wa banana. Tell them to go and return her 6 million naira. She was owing, they were owing 5 million, and she later spent above what they asked her to spend because of push. It was now 6 million. And also tell the man to go and pay for the drinks they carry. Realupperpikin, you and your mother, and money not they fine. God go judge you now. Madam, go throw away your Bible. As I'm running up this video right now. So I want to let you know, make you cut this part. So did that marriage well, perfectly well. Cameraman not quick come. The hall where the fair carry. Now don't hear that one. Hall where the fair carry. Look for the hall where they go carry again. Motor we is going from one place to another. They look for another place again. Why? Make a cameraman say they follow them. They walk up and down. The former address was changed. Now come on here. Now come on here. What can I say me? I know they do video 2 times or what for. Those who want to hear that audio, when I go pay me 1 million for account, me I delete the audio for now.